Psychology says that for women who do very little makeup, the character of those women is. A strong friendship doesn't need daily. A conversation doesn't always need. Togetherness. As long as the relationship lives in the chair, true friends will never part. According to a study, most the people hate their voice on video or a phone call. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of two results: a person for life or a lesson for life. When you are single, all you see are happy couples. When you're committed, all you see is happy singles. A man who wants to make a relationship work will move mountains to keep a woman he loves. No one's freakier than a drunk woman who's in love with you. When a man hates himself, he takes it out on the woman who loves him always. Remember this: a significant relationship is where yesterday's the fight doesn't affect today's communication. Maturity is when you love someone deeply, but you don't pressure them to love you back. Being able to respond instantly. Sarcasm to a silly question is a sign of a healthy brain. When you find a king, keep him. When you find a queen, love and protect her. Don't reshuffle your cards, because you might end up picking a joker. Women get to a point in their life where it's not about sex anymore, it's about having a real man to love and trust, have her back. Always go with the choice that scares you, because that is what is going to help you grow. No one in this world is pure and perfect. You will always be alone if you avoid people for their little mistakes. So judge less and love more. Did you know? In Russia, there are 9 million more women than men. If you knew how many men she turned down just to be with you, you would treat her better. 1 minute of anger can weaken the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. How amazing is it to find someone who wants to hear about all the things that go on in your head? A safe man comes into your life and loves you correctly and sneaky. No half-love. No extra females, no inconsistency. Just you and you only, sis. When you meet someone who tries their hardest to stick by you regardless of how difficult you are, keep them. Keep them at all costs, because finding someone who cares enough to look past your flaws aren't something that happens every day.